Welcome to Sarge Adventures. I'm going to bring you to Binder Park Zoo today. Here we have the Australian dingo, Battle Creek, Michigan, Binder Park Zoo. They like rabbits, rats, possums, wallabies, kangaroos, sheep, calves, birds, reptiles, and carrion. I don't know what that is. They hunt in pairs, like most dog families. This airplane's really ticking me off. I'm moving on. Here we have poison dart frogs. There's a pair of them right there. There's a dark blue. Where is it? I don't see it on the camera. Aha! Pretty neat. Smoky jungle frog. It's a great big one. There he is. Panamanian golden frog. Bright colors. Pretty cool looking. Here we have Patagonian Mara. I swear to God, if we put antlers on that thing, it would look like a jackalope. That's funny. Grasses, herbs, can eat almost any vegetation. You get up to like 28 inches tall. Pretty cool. On to the next animal. I found some peacocks. Got 4 of them right here. And another one in the background. Try to get this one in the colors. Pretty cool. Here's one he wants to show the colors. Ha 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 ha. Pretty neat. If we can get him to fan it out, that would be amazing. Watch out, mate. Right back there is a great big dinosaur. We'll go over there and see that in a little bit. Here we have 3 kinds of lemurs. There's a ruffed, a ringtail, and a collared. There's one. There's one. There's a few more over here. And that looks almost like the skunk in my yard. No, I'm in the petting zoo. There's donkeys and goats and such. But here you can pet the dinosaurs. There's that one. And this one is huge. Look at that. He tried to eat my hat just a minute ago. I told him to freeze. Awesome. Got a peacock all fanned out. Right here. It's facing the other direction. But it's still pretty awesome. Here he comes. Turn around. Turn around. It's an order. Left face. Maybe. Here we go. people just walked on by and didn't even see the peacock. Silly people. Alright, that's it for this video. Have a nice sunny day.